So I've leveled the oil. It was the correct amount of oil in the gearbox, and this gearbox, whether it's AL4, DP0 for the Renaults, it has an oil wear counter. So I mean, you don't need to do that, but it's a good thing to do. I mean, the computer realizes that you have changed some oil, so it adjusts some parameters. So you need to have software, of course, to do that, to reduce that oil wear counter. I think it has about just above 32,000 count. And it's not miles, it's depending on the temperature of the gearbox, and it just adds one or more, depends on how harsh the conditions are. Who knows how this is defined. So you need a software, and I'm doing this with a Peugeot Planet 2000. You can do that with Diagbox. So you have to reduce that counter, either put it to 0 or to 1. To reduce it with, you multiply 2675 times half a liter of oil. So if you put 3 liters of oil, that's 6 times 2675, something like that. And now to do the oil level counter. Open Gearbox. I have a Peugeot, so click on a Peugeot, then 307. Not entirely clear where it is, but you have to unplug and then plug in back again. When this appears, click OK. Station in progress. Found the vehicle, VIN number, click OK. Then PPS for Peugeot Planet 2000, again click. Then ECU configuration services, test by ECU, engine gearbox, gearbox ECU, switch off, only on contact, don't switch fully. And now oil wear counter here, double click on that. Says that for any additional new oil, remove 2,750 units for half a liter of oil, and I've put 3 liters of oil, so I have to remove 6 times 250. Okay, so we click OK. Counter, currently counter 1,849. So we'll put it on 0. Maximum value 32,958, and yeah, I'm a lot lower than that, so basically I'll put it at 0, so click OK. 40 right into counter. Nice, 40 right into counter. Let's do again. Let's put a 1 then. Counter. And then let's see. Update date of last oil change. Yes, let's update it. 40 right into counter. What in the hell? Reading counter 1. So it is actually 1. So we've reset it. I don't know why it's 1,800. Well, okay. Parameter measurement, standard parameter measurement, main variables, and double check. Oil pressure is 0, 74 degrees, and I have to go for a drive now. Well, this is how you do the counter. You have to put 1. And that's it. Exit PP2000, and we've reset the counter to 1 instead of 1,845.